Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpe, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo ki kubor na ke jela.
President ke VPP uba Arden Miller Besayomoy, ulaong bakasayang kadang puli benia ya kakaipod jong kesorkar jela, halor ke reservation policy kaba la tibel hagiyeng dorbar. Ulaong bakasayang kalapin pau ya kajing sungu ya kesorkar, namar karai ban review ya kani ke policy hadian kajing yaki. Uba Arden Besayomoy ula benram, balada kajing review kalong katkum kajing angnut ki ba, kaseng kan liat kemen hindrai lada kamlong kabala ban pediang kaseng kan pelong jeki.
You see, first of all, we have already expressed our appreciation to the government for having decided after our agitation to review the reservation policy. So now the government has tabled it in the floor of the House. So as members of the party and the legislature also, we need some time to study whether the review was taking place as per the wish of the people and as per our wishes or not. So I will not give a very long statement on this issue. I can only tell you that if the review is acceptable, we are going to celebrate, and if the review is not acceptable, we are going to agitate. Simple.
What type of agitation?
We will tell you at the right time.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.